Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait at least 5 minutes so airbags and electronics reset. Next, remove the shift boot and the small trim bezels around the shifter. Use a trim pry to avoid scratching. Once those clips release, lift the shifter trim panel and set fasteners in a magnetic tray. You do this now to expose the first Torx screws and wiring that secure the center console. This is the critical first, actionable access step. Once trim is up, remove the Torx screws hidden under the cup holder and inside the storage cubby. Use a long extension to reach recessed fasteners. Next, unbolt the cup holder and armrest bracket with a 10 mm socket, labeling each bolt location so reassembly is straightforward. Then, gently pry off the HVAC and media trim panels to access wiring, depress connectors and unplug them, making sure to press locking tabs fully. You do this to free the console without stressing clips or wiring harnesses. Now lift the console rear first to clear the dash and front mounting points, feeding the wiring harness through the opening as you go so nothing snags. Once free, set the console aside and inspect clips, grommets, and foam pads. Transfer any reusable pieces for reinstallation. When you put everything back, torque fasteners snugly and reconnect the battery last. If reassembly feels tight or electrical functions fail, immediately check for a missed hidden screw or an unplugged connector. That's the single most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.